Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we are changing up the name of the channel. We are starting something brand new and putting some plans I've been having for a while into motion. So I'm hoping you guys can follow me through the journey. Please subscribe if you like this content or if you're excited for what's gonna come. But yeah, we are basically hitting a hard reset. The old channel name's going away, brand new channel names coming in, and a whole new bunch of goals are coming on for 2020. We have a lot of exciting things planned for this year, and right now the main goal is getting out of this frozen wasteland. Look at it, the snow's piled up behind the exterior there. There's snow covered everywhere. Today is a warmer day. I think it's minus 10 Celsius. A couple weeks ago we had minus 30. I'll show that little brief clip right here from my car on it. Now minus 30. It got down as cold as minus 40 with a minus 52 wind chill. But yeah, that's freezing. So anyways, we're trying to get out of this frozen wasteland, get somewhere where we can actually make some content, because, well, you just can't do any filming in this. It's, you know, the drones shut down, batteries die really quick. You don't really want to go outside in this anyways. So yeah, we're gonna go to somewhere where it's warm and yeah, start things off with a travel vlog. Hope you guys are excited. So I don't know if I told you guys what the name change is. You probably already see it because it's up in the top there. So I present to you the brand new channel, Modify Reality, a car enthusiast 4x4 and travel channel. So without further ado, let's get out of this frozen wasteland and hop on a plane and go to the exact opposite. Let's go.
Seen it all, you can't all benefit you. Femme fatale, I can't fall in love with you. Seen it all, you can't all benefit you. Femme fatale, I can't fall in love with you. Yeah, whiskey in my head, Henny in a cupboard. If you want it, I'm just saying, you can have whatever, just don't ask me about a plan. Let's avoid the topic, benefit from being friends. We can be together, but that body like a Benz, that black on the rims. I know that you're poison, baby, let's not play pretend, yeah. This ain't gotta end, yeah. You so dangerous, hella sus, I can tell, yeah. You a bad, real bad broad, but seen it.
Here we are guys, we just made it to the opposite side of the world. We are currently in Melbourne, Australia, which is, well, quite literally the opposite side of the world. It's beautiful and warm here. As you just seen, we just came from the snowy, cold Edmonton. Yeah, we're here on vacation for 3 weeks. Gonna make the most of it. We're gonna check out the Great Ocean Road, a bunch of other stuff. We rented a car so we can drive everywhere. Well, let's just hop right into the Great Ocean Road. We'll show you guys what we've been up to and take it away.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. got some faith, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights.
Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed that footage. We are currently making plans to come back here at the end of 2020. The big idea right now, the big plan right now is to be coming back here in September, October range, and we're gonna buy a off-road vehicle and a camper trailer, or what they call a caravan here in Australia, and we're gonna go tour the big lap of Australia. So that's our current plans. We've been doing a little bit of scouting out while we've been here for the 3 weeks, and in the meantime we're gonna try to do as much footage as possible in Edmonton and bring you guys along for the ride and bring you guys through some of the planning for this big trip. And then, yeah, hopefully in a year's time we'll be right back in the same spot and doing another video, and we can, well, it's gonna be a lot more than just one video. We're gonna end up doing a whole video series touring all of Australia. So it's pretty big news, it's pretty big planning, and there's a lot of work still to do before we can go anywhere. But yeah, this has been a great 3 weeks, and now we're headed back to Edmonton, where it looks like the weather is a little bit warmer than when we left, so that should be pretty good. So yeah, take her easy, and we'll see you guys next time.